Every motorcycle comes with its own expectations. The 916 is beautiful. The 1098 is powerful. The Panigale is delightful, and all of them are frightful. How about the 999? Some would say she's not exactly pretty. Others claim she's an absolute steal. The question is there any truth to these clichés, or do they just disappear into thin air when you look more closely? Let's find out. The first thing that blew me away about this bike is how easy it is to handle and live with. Direction changes, ergonomics, wind protection. I expected it to be good, but not this good. There are obvious reasons though, from the adjustable tank seat section to mirrors that channel the airflow around the rider. What's more, the side stand doesn't fold in by itself and it starts on the first try. It's a miracle. One thing I was a little bit wary of is the sound. The 999 does have the incredible Tesla Strata engine inside, but reviewers back in the day said the stock muffler makes it too quiet. Excuse me? Now I'm gonna do this one more time for science. And it sounds even better in motion. Include an open clutch, like this one has, and you no longer need to listen to music. I did think this bike would be cheaper than other Ducati superbikes. You can tell from just looking up used bike ads online. However, as I discovered with my first service bill, it is also less expensive to maintain. And who do we have to thank for that? Pierre Terblanche. He did not just design this very controversial front end, he also reduced the number of parts by more than 20%. Chapeau. Speaking of the design, considering all that drama at its release, you would not exactly expect people to flock around this machine. Au contraire, as Terblanche would say. Just a short while ago, I took the 999 to a track day in France, and even though I was slower than a Citroën, they were all over it. Just recently, a guy spontaneously congratulated me at a gas station on this beauty. What a nice surprise. So, all sunshine and rainbows then? Well, mostly. The engine warning light switches on when the bike stands still and off when it starts moving. I had to replace the front brake because of brake judder, but what really gets to me is the seat. It is super spacious, so you have a lot of room to move around, but it's also really slippery. So imagine hanging off the side while you're accelerating hard. This can be scary stuff, but at least it's something that can be fixed easily with a custom seat. After a few months with this machine, I can safely say the Ducati 999 is a fabulous bike. It may have a few quirks here and there, but it shines in every aspect that matters. It hasn't just met my expectations, but surpassed them in more ways than one. Now how about you? Do you have a 999? What did you expect from it, and did you get what you wanted? Tell me in the comments below. If you like this video, leave a like. If you want to see more, hit the subscribe button. Donnie Desmo, out. You can just tell from looking up used bike ads. It's a miracle. It's a miracle. It's a miracle. It's a miracle.